Hello and welcome to Muddy River Mixology Monday. This is Jake, I'm Robbie. Today we got a good, nice, easy way to start your day.
Yep.
We're making our coconut iced coffee. Super easy. For this, you're going to need the following ingredients. You're gonna need coffee. We're using Javesca's Muddy River Distillery barrel-aged coffee. Javesca is a local coffee roaster, and they know what they're doing. So, coffee factory, can you say that? It's a coffee-fillery. Anyway, all right, so you're gonna need coffee from Javesca. You're gonna need cream. Now, cream is optional. And we're gonna need, most importantly, our coconut Carolina rum. This stuff is awesome. It's made with real coconuts and real sugar. It's at 70 proof, so it tastes like adult strength coconut rum. So, yeah. Step one to making this drink, we've got our pint glasses here filled with ice. We're gonna add coconut rum. Jake, if you don't mind, 2 ounces of coconut rum in each of these.
I believe I can do that.
All right, so we got our coconut rum in the glass. Next, we're gonna add our coffee.
Okay.
Jake, if you don't mind. All right, and let's put some cream on this. Just do a topper of cream. I don't think you really need to measure
Not
that
too much.
Yeah, not too much.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got our cream in there, and we'll give it a quick stir, and we're ready to drink it.
Okay.
Looks good,
Yep.
smells good. This is one of my favorite ways to use our coconut rum.
Cheers, brother. Cheers.